Signing an offer letter digitally is quick and easy, and in this tutorial, I'll show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. Whether you're doing it for your first job or a new opportunity, learning how to sign an offer letter digitally can save you time and hassle. First, let's talk about why you might need to sign an offer letter digitally. Signing documents online is not only convenient, but it's also secure. And more companies are moving toward digital signatures for efficiency, plus you can sign it on any device anywhere without needing to print anything out. So, here's how you can get started. The first step is to open your email and locate the offer letter you received. Typically, it'll either be an attachment or a link to an online document. Once you've opened the offer letter, look for the Sign button or signature area. This will usually be highlighted or clearly marked in the document. Now, this next step is important. If you're using our recommended software, which you can try for free with an exclusive trial in the description below, it'll make the process even easier. You'll just need to click on the Sign button. This software provides a secure and simple way to add your signature, even if you don't have a physical pen in hand. If you're prompted to create an account or log in, go ahead and do so. This software usually asks for your name and email for verification, ensuring that your digital signature is secure and legally binding. Once logged in, it's time to sign. The software will likely offer you a few ways to sign. You can type your name, draw your signature with your mouse or touchscreen, or even upload an image of your handwritten signature. Choose the one that feels easiest for you. When you're happy with your signature, simply place it in the designated area on your offer letter. After signing, you'll likely be asked to confirm the signature. Make sure everything looks right, then click Finish or Done. The software will save your signed offer letter and send a copy to the company, usually via email or through a secure platform. Finally, remember that you can always go back and make changes or review the document before finalizing. But once you're all set, you've officially signed your offer letter digitally. And that's it. It really is that simple. Key takeaway: signing an offer letter digitally is quick, secure, and saves time. With the right software, you can sign from anywhere without needing to print anything out. Make sure you're using a trusted software to ensure the process is smooth. Just a quick recap. Open your offer letter, find the signature area, sign using the software, whether by typing, drawing, or uploading your signature, and confirm your signature. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software we've used in this tutorial. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy signing.